Jama. Today we are learning the new word jama. It's a fun little word that means an obstruction or something that gets in your way. Like when your cat decides to sit right on your keyboard while you're trying to type. Isn't that annoying? Just picture being in a crowded train and someone's big backpack is totally jama. Not only that, but it can also describe a person who is being a nuisance. Like when your friend won't stop talking during the movie. So remember, jama can refer to both things and people that block your path, either literally or figuratively. Next time you trip over your dog because it's in the way, you can say, "Oh, you jama, little buddy." Now, repeat after me. Jama. 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 While trying to walk through a crowd, a person feels annoyed because someone is blocking the way. So they say, 人混みで歩こうとしたら、邪魔な人がいて困った。Which means, when I tried to walk through the crowd, there was an obstructing person who made it difficult. 人混みで歩こうとしたら、邪魔な人がいて困った。人混みで歩こうとしたら、邪魔な人がいて困った。During a group conversation, one person feels that the loud music is a hindrance to understanding each other. So they say, 会話中音楽が邪魔で話が聞こえなかった。Which means, during the conversation, the music was an obstruction, and I couldn't hear what was being said. 会話中音楽が邪魔で話が聞こえなかった。会話中音楽が邪魔で話が聞こえなかった。During a meeting, one colleague talks too much and distracts others. So one person says, they think he is annoying. 会議中に同僚が話しすぎて邪魔だと思った。Which means, during the meeting, I thought my colleague was annoying because he talked too much. 会議中に同僚が話しすぎて邪魔だと思った。会議中に同僚が話しすぎて邪魔だと思った。At a party, someone keeps interrupting others while they are talking, so one guest comments that this person is intrusive. パーティーで誰かが話しているときに邪魔をするので、他の人がその人を邪魔だと言った。Which means, at the party, someone kept interrupting others, so another person said he was intrusive. パーティーで誰かが話しているときに邪魔をするので、他の人がその人を邪魔だと言った。パーティーで誰かが話しているときに邪魔をするので、他の人がその人を邪魔だと言った。Now let's dive into the kanjis. The first kanji, ja, in jama, means wicked or evil. It's often used to describe something bad or harmful. For example, jaaku translates to evil, defining something deeply immoral. Kaze can mean a cold, a minor illness, where the kanji suggests an evil air or influence causing it. There's also janin, which means evil thought, depicting a malicious idea or intention. The second kanji, ma, in jama, represents demon or magic. It evokes images of supernatural elements or dark forces. For example, akuma simply means devil or demon, a direct reference to malevolent spirits. Maho stands for magic, the supernatural power or trickery. Additionally, mujal refers to a witch, a person believed to practice the magical arts. Together, these kanji in jama mean hindrance, implying interference with mischief or obstructive powers. Finally, let's practice the word dema with some questions. Can you create a sentence about someone interrupting, 邪魔, your studies, 勉強? Think about distractions while you're trying to focus. 彼はいつも私の勉強の邪魔をします. He always interrupts my studies. 彼はいつも私の勉強の邪魔をします. 彼はいつも私の勉強の邪魔をします. Can you form a sentence about how a crowded road, michi, might be an obstruction, 邪魔? Imagine driving through heavy traffic. この道は混んでいるので邪魔になるかもしれません. This road might cause an obstruction because it's crowded. この道は混んでいるので邪魔になるかもしれません. この道は混んでいるので邪魔になるかもしれません. Can you make a sentence saying a noise, 音 is an interruption, 邪魔 to your work, 仕事? Picture a noisy office. その音は私の仕事の邪魔をしています. That noise is interfering with my work. その音は私の仕事の邪魔をしています. その音は私の仕事の邪魔をしています. Can you create a sentence where she, 彼女, told you not to interrupt? 邪魔? Think about a situation where someone is focused. 彼女は私に邪魔をしないでと言いました. She told me not to interrupt her. 彼女は私に邪魔をしないでと言いました. 彼女は私に邪魔をしないでと言いました. Well, my lovely learners, I hope you'll remember the word jama and use it wisely. If your friends are being jama, let them know with a smile. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more fun lessons. Until next time, keep practicing and peace out.